She does.
Tear it up, honey. There's something in there for you.
She just wants to play with the paper, you know. Do you know how to open it? Can you open it?
What's in there?
But there's a ball over there. There's a bunch of them. You got new ones. I had no idea she was gonna like those little balls that much.
Mm-hmm.
I know she likes the big one, but you just never know what they're gonna like.
Lazy boy.
You wanna watch a movie?